Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which scientific technique did Dorothy Hodgkin help develop that is used to determine the three-dimensional structures of molecules? Is it A, MRI imaging, B, X-ray crystallography, or C, mass spectrometry? It is B, X-ray crystallography. What position did Hillary Clinton hold from 2009 to 2013 in the United States government? Is it A, Secretary of State, B, Attorney General, or C, Chief Justice? It is A, Secretary of State. What stage is the blastocyst? Is it A, morula, B, embryo, or C, fertilization? It is B, embryo. What is the main function of a galvanic cell? Is it A, measure voltage, B, store energy, or C, generate electric current? It is C, generate electric current. Which luxury fashion brand did Nicolas Ghesquière become the creative director of in 2013? Is it A, Louis Vuitton, B, Gucci, or C, Dior? It is A, Louis Vuitton. Which Ed Sheeran album includes hits like Sing and Photograph? Is it A, Divide, B+, or C, X? It is C, X. Which popular web browser was developed under Sundar Pichai's leadership at Google? Is it A, Firefox, B, Chrome, or C, Safari? It is B, Chrome. Which major conflict did the Treaty of Versailles officially end? Is it A, World War I, B, World War II, or C, the Cold War? It is A, World War I. What region is Southern American cuisine primarily from? Is it A, New England, B, the South, or C, California? It is B, the South. What is a contrail primarily composed of? Is it A, ozone, B, carbon dioxide, or C, water vapor? It is C, water vapor. Which album by Miley Cyrus features the hit song Plastic Hearts? Is it A, Bangers, B, Plastic Hearts, or C, Younger Now? It is B, Plastic Hearts. What genre of music is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran primarily classified as? Is it A, jazz, B, rock, or C, pop? It is C, pop. Which river flows through the Rhône Valley and is known for its wine production? Is it A, Seine, B, Loire, or C, Rhône? It is C, Rhône. What is the primary use of spinel in the gemstone market? Is it A, electronics, B, industrial abrasives, or C, jewelry? It is C, jewelry. What are amino acids? Is it A, building blocks, B, sugars, or C, fats? It is A, building blocks. What concept is the theory of relativity primarily known for relating to the speed of light and gravity? Is it A, time dilation, B, quantum entanglement, or C, black holes? It is A, time dilation. In which year did humans first land on the moon? Is it A, 1965, B, 1972, or C, 1969? It is C, 1969. What large lake is primarily located in Finland and is famous for its unique ringed seal population? Is it A, Baikal, B, Saimaa, or C, Geneva? It is B. Saima. What is the most famous structure located at Chichen Itza? Is it A. Colosseum, B. El Castillo, or C. Great Wall? It is B. El Castillo. What type of gemstone is jade primarily known as? Is it A. Sapphire, B. Diamond, or C. Greenstone? It is C. Greenstone. Which year was the song Umbrella, featuring Jay-Z, released by Rihanna? Is it A. 2005, B. 2010, or C. 2007? It is C. 2007. Which countries have coastlines along the North Sea? Is it A. Portugal, Turkey, France, B. Spain, Italy, Greece, or C. Norway, Denmark, Netherlands? It is C. Norway, Denmark, Netherlands. What is the capital city of the Dominican Republic? Is it A. Santiago, B. Punta Cana, or C. Santo Domingo? It is C. Santo Domingo. What is the best hand possible in Texas Hold'em poker? Is it A. Full House, B. Royal Flush, or C. Straight? It is B. Royal Flush. Who is Medusa in mythology? Is it A. Gorgon, B. Hero, or C. Titan? It is A. Gorgon. Which river is known as the primary water source for the Indus Valley civilization? Is it A. Ganges River, B. Nile River, or C. Indus River? It is C. Indus River. What important role did Nelson Mandela hold in South Africa after his release from prison? Is it A. Prime Minister, B. President, or C. Ambassador? It is B. President. Which large Canadian lake was named after Samuel de Champlain? Is it A. Lake Champlain, B. Lake Ontario, or C. Lake Superior? It is A. Lake Champlain. What subatomic particles have almost no mass and travel close to the speed of light? Is it A. Neutrons, B. Neutrinos, or C. Electrons? It is B. Neutrinos. What is DoorDash? Is it A. Delivery service, B. Restaurant, or C. Grocery store? It is A. Delivery service. What is a call option primarily used for in finance? Is it A. Buying stocks, B. Selling bonds, or C. Hedging currency? It is A. Buying stocks. Which iconic song is Prince famously known for that includes the lyrics, "Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today"? Is it A. Like a Rolling Stone, B. Billie Jean, or C. Purple Rain? It is C. Purple Rain. What type of sauce is picante known for being? Is it A. Hot sauce, B. Barbecue sauce, or C. Salad dressing? It is A. Hot sauce. What was the main outcome of the Treaty of Sèvres in 1920 regarding the Ottoman Empire? Is it A. Partitioned territories, B. New currency, or C. Unification with Greece? It is A. Partitioned territories. What is the primary characteristic of a thermocline in an aquatic environment? Is it A. Water salinity, B. Temperature gradient, or C. Oxygen levels? It is B. Temperature gradient. Which television show is Tyra Banks known for hosting and producing that focuses on modeling? Is it A. Project Runway, B. The Voice, or C. America's Next Top Model? It is C. America's Next Top Model. What is the main characteristic of a binomial distribution? Is it A. Continuous data, B. Two outcomes, or C. single variable. It is B, two outcomes. What is the primary function of a wheel in transportation? Is it A, store energy, B, provide decoration, or C, facilitate movement? It is C, facilitate movement. What is the primary sense sharks use to detect prey in the water? Is it A, smell, B, sight, or C, hearing? It is A, smell. Which nation won the Rugby World Cup in 2019? Is it A, New Zealand, B, South Africa, or C, England? It is B, South Africa. What type of dish are arancini commonly known as in Italian cuisine? Is it A, rice balls, B, pasta dumplings, or C, breaded cheese? It is A, rice balls. In which year was the board game Trivial Pursuit first published? Is it A, 1981, B, 1990, or C, 1975? It is A, 1981. What is the primary color of a flamingo's feathers? Is it A, pink, B, blue, or C, green? It is A, pink. Which position did Margaret Thatcher hold in the UK government from 1979 to 1990? Is it A, Prime Minister, B, Chancellor, or C, President? It is A, Prime Minister. What is the capital city of Jordan? Is it A, Irbid, B, Aqaba, or C, Amman? It is C, Amman. What is the primary use of aluminum in construction? Is it A, plumbing, B, insulation, or C, structural framework? It is C, structural framework. Which environmental organization is known for its work in global conservation and sustainable development, often represented by a panda logo? Is it A, WWF, B, Greenpeace, or C, Sierra Club? It is A, WWF. What is Damascus renowned for being one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world? Is it A, natural resources, B, historical significance, or C, economic power? It is B, historical significance. Which fashion brand was founded by Virgil Abloh? Is it A, Off-White, B, Supreme, or C, Balenciaga? It is A, Off-White. What is Moldavite primarily known for in the field of geology? Is it A, a type of gemstone, B, a volcanic rock, or C, a fossilized tree resin? It is A, a type of gemstone. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.